Welcome back to another episode of Local Search Tuesdays. This week's episode is short because tomorrow is a huge day. We're releasing the largest SEO study ever done for personal injury attorneys. We released the car dealer version of this study last month, and now it's time to release the massive personal injury law study we spent months putting together. We pulled over 150 data points on over 3,000 law firms and crunched the numbers to see if the best practices everyone preaches about actually line up with what we see in real-world search results. Come to the Search Lab site tomorrow morning to check out the amazing insights and get a detailed playbook for SEO for your law firm. Or just pay attention to our social media accounts. We'll be blasting out links all day tomorrow that will link directly to the study landing page. We share industry averages so you can see how your firm stacks up, and then we also share comparisons between the firms that rank number 1 in the map pack to firms that rank number 10. We share data on factors that influence rankings and factors that influence conversions. It gets really interesting when you dig in to see what the top ranked firms are doing better or more often than lower ranked firms. You'll see interesting data points like the fact that all PI attorneys average only 362 reviews, but the firms that rank number 1 in the map pack average 555 reviews. Or the shocking fact that 100% of number 1 ranked firms optimize their homepage H1 heading with targeted keyword phrases, while only 22% include the same keyword phrase in the title tag. We'll share it all on the site tomorrow, but if you want even more data, you can download a PDF of the study. The PDF includes additional data points that aren't included on the study page on the site, along with several checklists to help you laser focus your SEO strategy. So you'll definitely want to grab a copy. That's all the time we have left for this week's episode. So you know what that means. Put your hand on the screen right here. We totally just high-fived because you learned something awesome. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again next week for another episode of Local Search Tuesdays.